you do is, with the same colour thread, put a knot in the end of your wool, come up from the back, and if this was going to be a single line, say we were just going to leave the donkey in outline, to create a more defined line, this at the moment it's a little bit sort of dotted line, but to make that a more defined line, we're going to whip it. So all you do is you take your needle and you bring it in from, I'll go this way, bring it in from the one side and you push the needle through the wool, and it's just going through the coloured wool, not the background cloth. Come back to the beginning, come back to this side and do it again. And you go through each stitch actually using a blunt needle at this point would be quite easy. And then when you've done a few stitches, pull it tight and you can start to see the difference and how you notice how that's a more defined line, and you've lost all your gaps then, left as background.